Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 57. Get ready for the dictation. Start. The fence. A stretch of marsh along the shores of the wash used to be the scene of many a chance, affray and many a set battle owing to the inroads of the Saxons and dance on the domains of the natives. It seems to have been a vast primeval forest at the time of the Romans, who with their usual vigilance saw a means of saving this expanse from the ravages of the waves by a clearance of the trees and the raising of banks. King John, of whose violence against the barons there is but one opinion, nearly lost his life in one of the treacherous channels of the wash. Those who have read Kingsley's romance of the endurance and stout resistance of the Saxons in the Isle of Ely must have been struck by the graphic details of the rough roads of those days, and even now they are none too easy for transit. Times out of number the waves of the sea carried away property, causing havoc and distress to the farmers. Stop. Thank you.